Hello, I'm Michael Allen. Welcome back to my channel. This building you're looking at is an inheritance. So I decided I'm not going to let it fall apart. I'm just going to fix it up. So I'm actually doing some repairing here now. Getting the roof off, changing it, doing that piece of wall inside. As you can see, the roof is off. I get it off, and what I've decided on doing is put in a new roof. But I'm still going to use that material that I took off. That's the hollow steel. I'm going to put it back on. So I'm going to just change those timber, because those timber was like heavily infested with termites. So change the framework, and get it up and running, right? As you can see, already doing my raft here. You notice those bolts to hold the plates to secure the roof. Already done that, and starting my common raft there. It's a simple roof. This is a link that I used to cut this roof. So actually getting it going on good. Not bad after all. Change also the valley bed. Cutting a new valley bed there, because the valley bed was totally infested with termites. So we had to get rid of that and put in a new valley bed. As you can see there, we are now working on the valley bed, which we're going to spread our sheet metal or continuous metal to take the water off. We're actually going to give it a little fall, pushing the water in one direction, But it's a hard work, so you just got to get it done. Just got to get it done. You can see the sheet metal that I talked about. Have it lead onto that valley bed. This is under the valley bed. This is what it looks like. Yeah. Remember, we use all treated lumber. All treated lumber on this roof. Can't afford for termites to get back and start eating it away, so best we use treated lumber. So that's our continuous roof in there with our hollow steel, zinc, that's the hollow steel. So I'm actually cutting on those common rafts at the same time, nailing them in place. It was not a difficult roof to cut. It's quite simple to cut, not all that difficult. But once I get one raft to cut to my measurement, then I just cut all of the other rafters and just fit them in, as long as your building is properly squared and that ridge is straight, shouldn't be difficult. That's plate there is totally infested with termites, so we had to jack that up and try to get that plate out. Oh yes, we jack that with a piece of 2x4 just to get that rotten plate out. Oh, you can see our new plate is in now. So we, got our new plate in. Actually, that section of roof that you're now looking at, someone is occupying that. So we could not take that roof off, because somebody is occupying that section. So we had to work on that and just make sure that we did not get our things damaged. So we think we done a good job, especially in putting that piece of 2x6 across the roof for support. We did a good job on that. So here we are, putting on our hollow steel, and we're just about to wrap this up now. So we'll see you in the next video when we're doing all our next preparation. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Everything.